different size spatulas are also handy. I like this wooden spatula because it's really great for getting firmer oils such as coconut or palm out of the containers, especially in winter. They're very hard to scoop out. That's that one. And a whisk. And small whisks are great as well for mixing clays. A big whisk is great for when the soap is starting to head towards trace and it's getting thicker. You can't melt it down or stop that process. So if you don't want to use the fast stick blender at that point, you can, if you still have things to add in, it's great to just use a whisk to sort of slow things down. Look out for vanilla content, because if there's a decent percentage of vanilla, it will turn your soap brown or sort of shades of caramel. And I mean, if you're going to do designed soaps, you can work that into your design color. When I first made a soap with vanilla fragrance, I had no idea. And the day after I made the soap, it turned this really intense brown, and I kind of freaked out because I thought, what's going on? And I had no idea. So anyway, you'll know what's going on if that happens to you. Now, to use the crinkle cutter, let's see what that does. Look at that. So that's another fun rustic take on cutting the soap. And there we have our bars of soap